Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain what are data types in Java. So let's get started. So what exactly are data types in Java? As already explained in the previous session of this course that based on the type of the data that you want to store into the variables in Java need to be declared with appropriate data type. Okay, let me write down here. Based on the based on the type of data that we want to store into variable, the variable in Java need to be declared with appropriate data data type. Okay, this is what exactly is our data types. Okay, based on the type of the data that you want to store into the variable need to be declared with appropriate data type. What is an example? This example also I covered in the previous session. For example, if I want to store a value 5 into the variable A, okay, in Java programming, if you want to store this value 5 into this variable A, this particular variable in Java need to be declared with which data type? Int data type. Okay, then only this value 5 can be stored into the variable. Otherwise, in Java programming, you are going to get an error. Okay. So if you want to store a value like numerical non-decimal value 5 into the variable A, the variable in Java can be declared with int data type. But what if I want to store 5.5 into this variable? Can I still declare this variable with int data type? Here A is declared with which data type? Int. But such kind of variable which is declared with int data type, can I store this 5.5? That is numerical decimal value, can I store into this variable? The answer is no. You're going to get a compiler error in Java programming if you do so. So we need to declare this variable with appropriate data type. Based on the type of the data that you want to store into the variable, this variable in Java need to be declared with appropriate. In this case, int is not the appropriate data type. Double is the appropriate data type. Okay. If you want to store 5 into the variable, you can declare this variable with int data type. If you want to store 5.5, you cannot declare this variable with int because int declared variable cannot accept decimal values. Okay, if you want the variable to accept decimal values, to store decimal values, you have to declare that variable, okay, with double data type. So this is what I am talking about here. Okay, what exactly are data types? Based on the type of the data that you want to store into the variable in data need to be declared with appropriate data type. This is what exactly is data type. Okay, so now you understood what exactly is data type. Okay, or what are data types in Java. Now, the data types in Java can be categorized, okay, can be categorized into two types. So, data types, data types in Java can be categorized into two types. I'll explain how these data types in Java can be categorized into two types in the next session, okay? So, for now, before going to the next session, let me practically demonstrate this, okay? This concept of data types. What exactly are data types? Based on the type of the data that you want to store into the variable, the variables in Java need to be declared with appropriate data type. If you are not declaring the variable with appropriate data type, what is going to happen? Let me show you practically. Okay. So let's wait for the Eclipse IDE to launch. Let me click on this launch button. Now here we have this sample Java program where we have assigned the value 5 to this particular variable A, which is declared with which data type? Int. Am I getting any errors? No. And I'm trying to print this variable A so that the value which is stored in the variable A will get printed. So if I run this code, I'll not get any problem. Okay. Neither compiler problems I got, nor any output problems. Okay. This is working fine. But what if I try to store 5.5 into this variable, which is declared with int data type? You see, immediately I'm going to get a compiler error. Before running the program itself, I'm going to get this error, compiler error. Hover the mouse, type mismatch, cannot convert from double to int. So this particular variable in Java can be declared with double instead. Instead of int data type, we can declare the variable with double data type, then it will work. Now run the code. Okay, 5.5 is printing. Okay, so this is working fine. So this is what is the thing that I was explaining guys in this session that based on the type of the data that we want to store into the variables in Java need to be declared with appropriate data type. So those are the examples. And what are the different types of data types in Java? I'm going to cover in detail in the next session. Okay. So types of data types. We can further categorize the data types. Okay. Types of data types. I'm going to cover in the next session. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Bye.